Hi, in this video we are going to install the most recent version of PHP, which is a programming language WordPress is based on. So I just received this email from my hosting company and they are telling me to update my PHP version because it's outdated. It's no longer supported. The reason why you need to update your PHP is to make your site run faster and also more secure and harder to hack into. The PHP version I'm using is 7.0 for this particular website, and they're now up to 7.4, so I need to update that. And it's a little scary because you don't know what changes will occur to your website when you update something like the main program language. So let me show you how to do it. Also update WordPress and also update my theme.
Let's do it.
This is the website that we're talking about. This is using an old PHP version, about 1 to 2 years old. And I haven't touched this site for quite a while. I made it for a relative. Let me show you the dashboard in WordPress. Okay, so I'm using a theme called Rockstar. That needs updating as well. WordPress needs updating as well. So there's 3 things we're updating: PHP, WordPress, and this theme. But it's really recommended before doing any updates, you got to back up your website. So the tool I use to back up my website is called Updraft Plus Backups, and it's free. There's a paid version, but you don't really need the paid version unless you're doing more advanced backups. So what I did was click Backup Now, then it created my files for database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. These are separate files that this website is built upon. The information is in here, and I downloaded them to my computer already. So I have a backup. Now I can proceed with the updates. So updating PHP is not within the WordPress dashboard. You'll have to go into your hosting plan. I use a hosting plan called Ionos by 1&1, and this is the domain that needs the updating for PHP. You see that it's 7.0. So I'm going to choose 7.4 recommended. It's supported until December 2022. So I click that. I would suppose the different hosting plans will have a different way to do this, but it's basically part of your hosting control panel. You just have to find where you can configure your PHP version. So that's it. I'm just going to select 7.4 and save. Check your website now. Sometimes websites are not compatible with all PHP versions. Uh-oh. Okay. Do your websites work properly? Okay, let's check it. Update. Phew. I think it works. So that was easy. Now to update WordPress, you go into your WordPress dashboard and you see I'm being notified that WordPress 5.5 is available. So I'll just click update now. An updated version of WordPress is available. Click here. Okay, updating of WordPress is done. I've now got version 5.5 on this website. Let's check if the website's working. Refresh. Click another link. Looks good. Okay, now I'll just have to update the theme, which is called Rockstar. This was a free theme. Okay, and the link to update it is right here. Update now. Okay, that was fast. Let's check the site, see if everything's fine. Okay, in just a matter of minutes, we've updated PHP, WordPress, and my theme, and everything seems to be working fine.